Hello everyone, this is Matt with Storm Central Severe later weather for the latest today, July 26, 2011. It's around 1:30 Central Daylight Time today. Wanted to get everyone up to date on the forecast for the next 3 to 5 days here as we're going to run through severe weather and precipitation totals. Alright, we're going to start with the GR Earth here. For the latest on the radar, we're going to run it right now. And this is the current radar for the America here. We're looking at showers and thunderstorm activity with the moderate risk for severe storms today into portions of the Dakotas, into portions of Minnesota here. We also had one or two tornadoes confirmed, or not confirmed, but reported in portions of New York State here, with those showers and thunderstorm activity in that slight risk box. We do have a couple watches out. I believe one only. I'm going to fly on in. See, we have one severe thunderstorm watch box. This is out for northwestern Connecticut, extreme northern Massachusetts, northern northwestern New Hampshire, and this is out until 7 Eastern Daylight Time. Alright, so as you can see, this is the moderate risk for severe storms. Let's go to the, take a look at, that is the moderate risk, that was the hail risk. Now we're looking at tornado risk, we're looking at a 10% chance, hail risk a 45% chance, and wind now downgraded to a 30% chance here for portions of these areas here. Looking into this part of the area, we're looking at also only not even a 10% chance for tornadoes there. We're looking at hail, about a 5% in this area, and also a 5 to 10% chance for portions of New York State there. Alright, here's the watch box, as you can see. Now we're going to put on and take a look at the next couple of days here, as we're going to put on the radar. Alright, here we're taking a look at the CAP values here, and this is the amount of energy we have in the air. And as you can see, the most energy is in this area where storms want to be firing, as we're looking at Sioux Falls, Rapid City, Bismarck, all in this area with a lot of energy in the air. To be able to pop these storms, we could also see we had a mesoscale discussion now about 10 minutes ago, as we can see some showers and thunderstorm activity in central Illinois here, as we can get some storms popping also. Let's go into the model, or the model fill here, and we're going to be taking a look at the temperature right now for the next couple of days. As we run through this is 3 hours now. We're running through for the next couple of days. As you can see, these temperatures will just be going higher and higher. Once you get them purples, it's 36 hours here. As you get these purples growing, this is 60 hours into the next couple of days. 81 hours, you just see the purple growing and growing here. To 102 hours here. You're looking at all these sections into possibly 100 degrees. I'll show you my forecast for all this in a minute. 123 hours, calm down. 126, up a lot of purples in these areas here, all to be spreading into 156 hours. As you can see, this heat will not end portions central plains, lower plains, into portions of southwest areas here. Alright, now we're going to take a look at my maps here. We're looking at Storm Central Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, even into Saturday forecast. Looking at the heat wave will not be ending for the next couple of days, as we're seeing every shade in the pink. Kansas, Missouri, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Kentucky, Tennessee, all in the pink areas. 95 to 105 degrees is likely in these areas. 105 is just a statement here. We could see 110 areas in some of these areas in the middle of this pink shaded area. In the red here, we're looking at South Dakota, Nebraska, Iowa, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, Ohio. In the red, 85 to 95 degrees. Chicago, you'll be seeing 90-degree temps for the next couple of days, along with portions of Indianapolis, maybe a little higher than that. So don't let your guard down here, as we've had 13 confirmed deaths, I believe, in Chicago, and I believe we're up to 33 nationwide for this heat wave that won't stop. So this is a serious matter, and we don't need any more deaths, so please take this seriously. Everyone's seeing in this yellowish orangish color. We're looking at 85 to 75 degree temperatures for the next 3 to 4 days. This red line here blasting through, this would be the southern part of the jet stream here. We're looking at jet stream forecast for the next couple of days. This would be the average of it coming through. California, all the way up into Montana, and then sliding through to southern Pennsylvania here. Alright, we're going to go to the next graphic, and that's would be, we're looking at heavy rain corridor, and I'm just going to read this through. Jet stream winds will be blasting through north, northern, north, and with the high pressure expected to stay south. This sets up a ring of fire pattern. Basically, the ring of fire pattern squeezes the hot air dome to the south, the jet stream to the north. Storms develop during the heat of the day, and we ride that southern side of the jet. With that in mind, based on the latest GFS jet stream forecast, it puts the heaviest rain corridor from Marshall, Minnesota to La Crosse, Wisconsin, to Chicago, Illinois. Severe weather is also likely through these days also. Those areas in yellow is likely to see 3 inches or more of rain over the next 3 days, with likely higher amounts and stronger thunderstorms. Alright, so we have information to back that up. We're going to go to National Weather Service's amount here. And based on the latest, this has shifted a little south now. So we're looking at this being a little south here with the heavy rain corridor. New model runs have wanted to put this a bit farther south. This is the 5-day forecast, and as you can see, this model wants to put the heaviest rain from about south of La Crosse, Wisconsin, Wisconsin Dells, to Milwaukee, Wisconsin with 3-inch rains. Chicago with 1 inch. I do believe that most of the area of Chicago will see 3-inch rains, along with parts of southern Wisconsin. My post below is that's on the website. So, alright, this would be the SPC outlook here, and as you can see, this is the southern jet stream here. This is what we want to go by for storms here, and this is what storms like to ride. They come in right through. They will form in this area, and they like to ride the jet. So once you get into this area, this looks like to be a heavy rain corridor, and let's take a look at the preset maps to back this up. This is the 8-day forecast here. I want you to look in where your area is here on the map. So if you're in portion of La Crosse, you want to look at La Crosse. If you're in Denver, you want to look in Denver area. So I'm going to go through days 1 through 8 now. Alright, so we're looking at middle of the day 1. We're seeing them showers and thunderstorms popping in portions of the Dakotas. That's severe weather right there. That will shortly move into overnight hours in a portion of Wisconsin, likely not being severe though. We'll see day 2 blasting again, showers and thunderstorms in the middle of Wisconsin. Day 3, we're looking at showers and thunderstorms along a line, possibly into Rockford, all the way down, stretching into Quincy, Illinois. Showers and thunderstorms once again, day 3 into day 4. This is flooding rains likely going into western Illinois, into Chicago areas in day 4, and then you just keep going on and on here. Once we get to 6 and 8, I don't usually rely on this because this tends to change a lot. Alright, now let's go to the detailed, more forecast here for days 1 through 3. Once again, if you're in the area, this would be the local forecast. Find your area and find where the map is. 10 p.m. tonight here, then we're going to 1 a.m., 4 a.m., 7 a.m., 10 a.m., and 1 p.m., 4 p.m., 7 p.m., 10 p.m. This is where it tends to get interesting here with cloud cover going across central Wisconsin. 7 p.m. That'd be a.m. tomorrow, Wednesday. And you could see an MCS going through here into portions of central Wisconsin by 10 a.m. Wednesday. Going into 1 p.m. Wednesday, showers and thunderstorms once again. And this is where it tends to get interesting, is 7 p.m. Wednesday we'll see rainfall bands set up into portions of southern Wisconsin and Illinois shown on this map. Wednesday looks like a pretty interesting day for Chicago, so we can see some flooding rains, maybe some clusters of showers and thunderstorms come in, and these could train, as you can see, setting up a line going in from Iowa into northern Illinois all the way up. These are training thunderstorms. That is not very good. Going into 1 a.m., still doing that. 4 a.m., still doing that. 7 a.m., still doing that. 10 a.m., still going through that. 1 p.m. on Thursday. This will look very interesting for a drive if you're going to go to Wisconsin like I am. 4 p.m., it'll finally let down. That's 12 hours of pure rain. And if we're looking at rainfall amounts of over 1 inch an hour, that's very flooding rains. Even if you get only in these corridors of 0.25 inch an hour rates, that still all adds up, and you can get easily flooding rains through these areas. 7 p.m. once again, we can get the showers and thunderstorms on Thursday into Wisconsin. Illinois once again, 1 a.m. to Friday, and we're still seeing showers and thunderstorms into Illinois and Wisconsin. Into 7 a.m. once again, we're looking at bulk shifting into Michigan areas here. That's why I'm a bit worried for the next couple of days here. Looking at Storm Prediction Center's outlook, we're looking at a moderate severe risk for today. Looking at chances for tornado, we're looking at 10% chance. Wind, 30% chance. Hail, 45% chance. Going to J2 now, we're looking at this is 30% chance for portions of Wisconsin, Illinois, and into Iowa here, overnight into Chicago areas. Also in the day 3, 50% chance also for severe weather. This will change and probably grow in size. Next couple of days, I'm thinking more of a severe risk than a heavy rain risk rather than a severe risk for the next couple of days, as we're looking at very severe storms. The bottom line, let's go to the GFS model for the radar right now. We do have high CAPE values for today. We're also looking at very high, let's get the radar on. We're looking at very high temperatures. Hot air dome will stay to the south here and shortly grow to the south and east over the next couple of days. We're looking at the ring of fire pattern coming in from California all the way stretching south Minnesota and Chicago. I also said bands of rains into Chicago shown by our RPM model here into southern Wisconsin. Everyone get them buckets ready, and I would get ready for some heavy flooding rains into southern Wisconsin into northern Illinois. Try to stay dry, everyone, and have a great rest of